Hello students, let me start the first experiment that is a visiting card app. This is not actually a full-fledged project or app, but this gives you some idea regarding how exactly to lay layouts and what are widgets and text views and how to put the values in text views, how to change the attributes. All these basic understandings you will get in this visiting card app. Let us observe what exactly this app does. This app, the aim of this app is to create an application to design a visiting card. The visiting card should have a company logo at the top right corner. The company name should be displayed in capital letters, aligned to the center. Information like the name of the employee, job title, phone number, address, email, fax, and the website address is to be displayed. Insert a horizontal line between the job title and the phone number. Okay, these are the aim that is to be furnished or that is to be achieved in case of visiting card app. Once you got the aim, better to have a design idea on a paper or at least in your mind what should be there or what will happen when you came out of the final design. That should be there. As I told you, 6 steps I had told you, isn't it? In that, at least initial 2 to 3 steps you should know. Anyway, one helpful is wiring diagram. Okay, this wiring diagram, whatever I have drawn here, shows you where what should come. Okay, here the logo should come, correct? Here the logo should come, and then obviously the company name should be, and this logo should be at the top right corner, correct? And company name, whatever we are displaying, it should be at the center. And name of the employee, job title, address, these all should be there. And then phone number, email address, and website also should be displayed. Website address also should be displayed. And there must be horizontal line. Let us put, they have told one or two, let us put one horizontal line between the company or the title, whatever company name is there, and then employee name in between, one horizontal line. Similarly, let us put one horizontal line between the address or job title and then phone number or rest, whatever is there. Whenever you develop an app, you should know what exactly all are these. See, the first logo, whatever I'm talking now, it is an image view. This is an image view. I will take you to Android Studio and show you, but this is an image view. Okay, this company, name of the employee, job title, all these, phone number, email address, all these become text views. This is an image view, this is a text view. Okay, try to understand. Only two views are available in the first app, whatever I am developing. There is one image view required. 1, 2, 3 text views are required. And this is the main layout, the outer whatever is shown, no, this is the main layout. Okay, this is how we are going to develop this app, okay, or first program or project. This is the diagram, wiring diagram. I hope you understood how exactly, what exactly are required. In simple terms, one image and 3 text views are required. Let me go to the next slide. Obviously, you create a project. As this initial session 2, I explained you choose an empty project or empty activity, and then you configure your project by saying visiting card app and save location. Okay, no need for you to change this. And here language Java you choose, and then minimum SDK somewhere around 2021 you be there. Okay, and then finish. You will get into the project window. I will directly move into the project window and explain you what all the things that we have to do so as to develop this project. Okay, let me move into the project window. Students, let us continue our project. I am now in the project window, that is a visiting card app. Okay, whenever you open up a new project, obviously you know that you will be there opened up with a hello world, correct? Let me remove all this hello world and start afresh. Okay, I think there are 2. Remove me. Okay, I removed up hello world, and I'm now plain layout is available. Okay, plain layout is available. Now, as you know, the app wiring diagram, I want a logo, isn't it? Or an image view is required. Hence, to put that image into my resources, that means resources in drawable I have to put, let me copy down that image. Okay, let me copy down that image. Obviously, it is there in my C drive. I will just go there and uh, bring it. Okay. Yeah, here it is. I just copy down that and then put it into the drawables. That is the first step. Just paste it there. In drawable, okay, not in drawable version 24, drawable. Okay. Now, I brought that resource, correct? Let me bring the image view as the first. It is there in common, okay, or in widgets also. It is there in common. You can see image view is available. Bring that and put it here in the layout. Okay, which image you want? Actually, Anjuman AITM logo or whichever logo you would like to use. Right. I just, if you see here, red marking says that the constraint is not done. That means it is floating here. Let me constrain it with the main layout. Main layout is the outer layout. Okay, the blue outer layout. And with that, that is a parental one. With that, I'm just attaching this image view, which becomes the child. Yeah, I just bring it and place it at the right top corner. Right top corner. You please adjust that size. Okay then. I brought the image. Here, whenever image or any kind of widgets and views are brought, first thing is you have to identify it with an ID. You see here, first there is an ID, correct? Image view, I just name it as image view logo. Okay, image view logo, enter. And then refractor. Yeah, I just gave an ID for this image. I gave an ID for this image. Okay, now I brought a ID image. Now what else is required? You know already the app layout, correct? I want a text view. It is available in common also or else in the text also. Okay, yeah, let me bring the text view and place it. Again, when you bring a text view, it says that text view is not constrained. See, whenever you bring any of these views, you need to constrain it with the layout. Attach it here and then similarly attach it here. Right. I just put it in the center. Put it in the center. Now, this text view are having lot of attributes. First thing is ID, text view. I will identify it as what company, because that is the title. Company name I will give, enter it. Okay, refractor. Now, first thing is I will change the size. There are lot of attributes, hundreds of attributes for each of the text view or widgets is there. Let me change, search it. I will just search it with size. First, I will change the size. Yeah, text view size, here it is, bottom. I make it around 30, right? Enter it. Okay. Now, text view has changed to 30. Now, text view size has changed to 30. I just come out of the attribute searching. Okay, just come out of that. Now, I can change lot of other things, but foremost thing is the what text you want to display. It is available here in the text. Here you can see text view. Presently text view is shown, but what you want to show it there? The company name. The company name you can take it as AITM Bhatkal. For that you can directly type here, but that is not, hard coded strings are not entertained. The correct method I will tell you now. You follow for the rest also. Come to strings. Double click on that. Okay. Now in the strings you have to add that. whatever text you want to add, it should be added in the strings. Open editor, mark here, click on plus. What key? You give a key for that. Key is company. Okay, what text default value you want? Okay, I want AITM Bhatkal. Okay, right. Yes, then you can come out of the editor, or you just come here to the main activity or activity main XML. Right, now your text view is there. You please select this resource, pick a resource, just click on that and then use this. You want this from string, isn't it? Company you want to choose. Okay, then right, AITM but class command sit here. Now as I told you, lot of attributes are available. If you want to change the color, for example, search the color, text color, you see, text color I want to change. Click on that. You want it to be green or red, right? Okay, then I changed. Like this, you can change different attributes of each of the views. You want to change the background, you can change. I told you the method. You please follow this method so that other two. Okay, I have brought one text view, that is the company name I have brought. Now let me bring the next text view and place it here. Right, place it here. That text view, whatever you are having, again the same method to be followed. Right, first it is again saying that constrain it. I will constrain it with the main layout. Right, then what is the next step? I have to give the ID. Text view 2 is there, but I will call it as text view employee because I want to enter the employee details here. Okay, enter it. Now again I told you, any other attributes you want to change, you can change. For example, attribute size I want to change. Size, let me change the size now only. How much? Let me take around 24. Right, now how to put the text here? As I told you, you have to go to strings, open editor, click on plus, give a key to this, that is I will give a key named employee. Okay, default value, my name first, Anil. Okay, Anil Kadle I will enter. Okay, right, but whether I can enter more values? Yes, surely you can enter more values. New line value, yes, you can do it. How to do that? Come here, see here, employee key default value is Anil Kadle, but I want to enter more. Click on this. Right, Anil Kadle is there. Enter. What else? I will give my job title, associate professor, address department CSE. Okay, right, then okay, I entered all the values here. I told you how exactly to enter it. Now what I do, I come to main activity. Actually I will just come out of this searching. Text, isn't it? Text, you please click. This is the default value. I don't want that default value, as well as I don't want to hard code it. I just want to pick a resource from string. What resource? Employee. Choose it. Okay. Yes, see here, Anil Kadle, associate professor, department of CSE. My address has come now, but it is not properly centered, isn't it? Let me choose it. Choose it, and I want to change. Search again, come to search. Search for gravity. Search for gravity, it is there here, correct? Choose center. Huh? Right, it came to center, isn't it? Right, now I have centered it. Okay, if you want to adjust it, you adjust it. Whether another last text view, I have to bring it the phone. Okay, I'm just bringing the third text view now. Bring it and drop it down. Okay, why this third text view is required? This third text view is required so that I can enter my phone number, email address, and website address. Okay, now again you see red exclamation is there saying that you have to constrain it. See the design, whatever is there, no, I will just build it with only, not with XML programming. Later let us concentrate on XML, but for the time being we will work only with the design with drag and drop. Actually I want this to be in the corner here, in the corner here. Right, now the text whatever is there, no, text whatever is there, you have to give the ID. I just come out of the search engine here. Text view ID whatever is there, no, 3 is there, but I will change it as phone. Okay, and text view value I have to, or the string I have to change. Okay, how I do? Again I told you, you go to strings, you go to strings and then open editor. Okay, click on plus, and here key is phone, and default value whatever is there, mobile 70193585570. okay, now you want to add more values. Okay, then come to this phone, come here. Right, I will just make enter. Next whatever I want is Anil Kadle @gmail.com, www.aitm.edu.in. okay, yes, I entered all the details of mobile number, email ID, etc. Now my third text view also is entered in the editor, but I have to select it from activity main XML. Now what I do, pick the resource. What resource? Phone. Right, okay. Right, don't worry, again I will adjust it for the left. How to adjust it for the left? Come to here, search. I will search for gravity. Gravity of the text I want to adjust it to the left, correct? Okay, right, then I just made all the required things, but the last but not the least, that means I want to bring 2 horizontal lines, isn't it? Let me bring. Okay, continuing in the project, there is a last piece of action which is required here, that is to bring and lay out a line. Okay, a line between our title, that is AITM Bhatkal, and the address here, or the name, as well as let us put another line also here. Okay, let us do that. To lay the line, what you have to do is you have to bring a view. Okay, you have to bring a view. Where exactly is view available? Just see here in widgets, you may be in common, go to widgets, in that view, just drag and drop it. Okay, a simple view is brought, and give the ID first. Let me call it as view line 1. Okay, line 1. I will put a line between AITM Bhatkal and my name. One line I will put. Now, first thing is you have to put the height of this. This has become a square box. Let me change its height. Okay, I'm changing the ID. That's why it is asked. Okay, coming to here, I just layout height. I will just make 1 dp. Type 1 dp. Okay, it became a line here, correct? Bring it here. Okay, I want it here, isn't it? Yeah. And then attach with the parent. Just click on this bubble and attach it with the parent. Okay, just take this. Okay, just bring this. Right, I want, now this became line. Okay, now this line 1 which I am putting between AITM Bhatkal and my name, its background to be changed. Just go to attribute searching and make background. Come to background here, make it actually black. Okay, otherwise that line will not be visible. Yes, you made that. Same procedure to be followed. Now let me bring another view. Okay, and then what I do, I will come out of the searching. It is view 3, it is saying. Right, I chosen, I want to change the ID. What I want to change it to line 2. Line 2. Where I want that line 2, I want to put it in my name and mobile number. Name and mobile number. Right, now what I do, whatever view is there, no, its height you have to change, correct? Come to this layout height, make it 1 dp. Enter it. Yeah, that line came. Drag that line, put it here. Okay, and then make it constrained, and then down and then to the top, correct? Yeah, I just came to this. I'm just making it constrained. I just lost it there. Okay, yes, finally I'm bringing that line to here. Then what I do, choose that line, change the background. I will search the attribute for background. Okay, background, I want to change the background to, again, if you want any other color you can choose. I'm just choosing the black. Okay, then I've chosen the background of this. Now this gives you only the layout idea. I'm just telling you that how this simple app is developed. One view is there, first text view, second text view, third text view. Please note down that how I am changing the strings in the, or text value or text string in the text view. The correct methodology is go to strings, and from strings, I'm just showing it again, from strings, open editor, from open editor, go to this new key, add key, and then operate. Okay, that's how the correct method is. I just completed this. I'm just